work is that?
This is JackHammer UK, and this is your K1 bout. 3 rounds, 2 minutes each. Reintroducing in the blue corner, he is representing AJ's Kickboxing Academy. I want to hear you for Sid Jones.
Sid's got a good following behind him here.
And facing him across the ring in the red corner, he is representing Powers Martial Arts. His name is Dan Hinde.
Three rounds of K1 action coming up.
Both boys looking confident, both looking ready.
Round 1.
Little bit lower. That's his ass cheek. Fire with the hands.
Both boys trading nicely here.
On, pick it up.
Both guys exchanging kicks.
Push kick. Yes, and the backhand, not just the jab. Sid, you've got to go lower with that kick. Driving his hips. Chop inside. Chop inside.
Both boys just filling each other out here the first
Nice
round.
inside leg kick and a head kick afterwards.
Excellent.
Low than high.
Great work there by Sid.
Sid, chop inside. Every time.
Nice leg kick back by Dan.
1 minute, Sid.
And a nice tee.
Sid, you've got to scoop that.
Both boys just filling each other out here. Yeah, nice combo there from Sid.
Chop inside, Sid.
Dan replies.
Good, that's it. Sid, keep him there.
Nice inside leg kick there by Dan.
Yeah, heavy leg kicks coming in from Dan. And again.
Chop. Good shot.
And finish with the low kick.
Yeah, nice combo there.
Sid, gonna finish strong now. Body shot. Where's the left hook on the body? Come on.
Yeah, both boys working the hands and legs really nicely.
Come on, Sid, he's tired. Push. 10 seconds. Body shot. I want that left hook to the body instead. Unlucky. Body shot.
Nice right
Nice
hand.
right hand.
Yes, Sid, good shot. Knees.
That's time after round number 1.
Nice work there by both boys.
Seconds out. Round 2.
Yeah, Dan.
Nice inside leg kick there again, followed by a body kick.
Body shot, Sid.
Nice turn by Dan there.
Come on, Sid. Got to fire back there.
Nice
Nice
body
body
kick.
kicks.
Let it go. Don't pause. 1-2 down the pipe.
Both boys throwing kicks, nice body.
Nice combo there.
Sid, keep in
Nice
here.
body kick.
Keep in here. Don't back
Yeah,
out.
strong legs.
1-2 outside. Sid, come on. Keep working. 1-2 outside. Let's go. Control the space.
That was just low blow there.
Both guys well matched here too.
Oh yeah, very evenly matched.
Sid's a knee, Sid. Your hands high.
Yeah, Sid straight back in.
Nice body shot from Sid.
Nice front kick.
First on the exit. Good lad.
Superman punch attempt.
Pin him in that corner, Sid.
Nice left from Dan.
Knee, Sid. Knee.
Oh, head kick.
Come on, Sid.
Oh, beautiful
nice
knee.
Head kick followed by a knee.
Yeah, Dan took that well.
Good response by Dan, kicking back, firing the combos.
Knee, Sid.
Nice left hook there with Dan.
Yeah,
Inside
Sid's
leg
pushing
kick.
forward a little bit.
Sid, he's hurt and he's tired. Come on. Sid.
Knees in the clinch.
Yes, body shot.
Yeah, I think that one might have affected Dan a little bit there. He looked a bit.
Sid, keep in there, Sid. Yes, Sid, knee.
Yeah, I think those body shots are taking their toll now.
30 seconds, Sid. Keep them in there. Sid, you're selling up and nothing's coming. Push kick.
Nice combos here, followed by roundhouse.
Sid,
And leg kick.
Yes, Sid, and
Yeah, nice body shot again there by Sid. And
Nice
knee.
knee. Another knee.
again.
Oh,
head kick comes
beautiful
to the out.
roundhouse.
Hurt into the body. 5 seconds. Sid, look at him.
That's it. We should give him a count.
Body language. Come on, be sharp now. Get close to me. Good shot. It's okay.
Yeah, it's just a little slip there from Sid.
And that is time. End of round number 2. Seconds out. This is a round number 3.
Round number 3. Can Dan stay in there?
Nice movement from Dan. And back in with a left hand. Nice uppercut. Sid targeting
Nice
the
knee
body
again.
there again though.
Dan's still trying to push forward though.
Sid, stop retreating. Back up. Forward. Sid, move forward. Jab overhand. Sid, jab overhand. Yes. And again, jab overhand. Hands up, Sid. Use your legs.
Yeah, Dan's still throwing. He's still in the fight.
Body. Body now. Sid, jab overhand, then work the body. Sid, you're going to force the count here. Goodbye. Sid, stay on him. Sid, stay on him.
Yeah,
Dan
both boys.
coming back here now again.
Yeah, both boys really digging deep in that last round. Oh, beautiful
Knee to
knee.
the body again. Dan digs deep to fire back.
Knee of himself. Oh, that one hurt.
Oh,
Jab. Knee, Sid, now. Knee. Now work the body with the hooks while you retreat. Sid, get in there. Yes,
Oh,
Sid.
beautiful roundhouse.
really targeting the body now, but Dan fires back again.
There we go.
Beautiful shots coming from Sid here. Dan covers up.
Keep working, you're going to force the count. Come on. Work, Sid.
Sid
You can
getting on
see-
top here.
Yeah, you can see by the body language that
Oh, head kick
nice
from
head
Dan.
kick though.
Good response.
Jab overhand. Jab overhand. 30 seconds. Come on, Sid. He's going to push.
Yeah, both boys giving everything in this last round.
Sid, jab overhand. Sid. Drop his leg.
Dan working hard now to keep Sid in the corner. Sid's trying to move out. Jumping knee again.
Nice knee.
Really targeting the body of Dan now.
Body hook.
Dan's really digging deep though. He's staying in there.
Dan's throwing his own combinations now too.
Nice knee.
That
was
is
a great
time.
Both lads really dug deep there.
And the decision is in. Your winner is in the blue corner, Sid Jones.
Really good work from Sid there, but I have to give